Drywall is like the backbone of any wall in your house, so knowing the different types contractors use can save you a ton of hassle later. Alright, so first up, you got regular drywall, which is what most walls are made of. Super basic and cost-effective. Then there's moisture-resistant drywall, perfect for spots like bathrooms or kitchens where stuff gets damp. If you want extra safety, fire-resistant drywall helps slow down flames and gives you more time if things go south. Soundproof drywall is clutch when you want to cut down noise between rooms, especially if you've got loud neighbors or kids. Mold-resistant drywall is a lifesaver in humid places because it helps keep those nasty mold spores from growing. When picking drywall, think about where it's going and what problems you want to avoid. Always check with your contractor to find the best fit for your project. And don't forget to consider your budget because some specialty types can get pricey fast. One of the biggest mistakes with drywall is using regular drywall in wet areas, which leads to warping or mold. Switching to moisture-resistant drywall fixes this. Another goof is not thinking about fire safety and skipping fire-resistant drywall in places like the garage or laundry room. Adding it there gives you peace of mind. Lastly, ignoring soundproof drywall when you really need it means you'll be stuck with noisy walls forever, so make sure to ask your contractor about soundproof options if noise is a problem. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you're not stuck guessing who to trust. Plus, it helps contractors find legit work, making the whole process smoother and way less stressful for everyone.